Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So since Valentine's Day is right around the corner, I thought I would do a Valentine's Day themed look slash date night look for you guys. Valentine's Day is one of my favorite holidays, so I'm super excited to film this. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Just putting my hair back so it's not in my way while I'm doing everything. This is going to be my full glam routine, so I'm going to be using a lot of products. Going in with my favorite foundation, the Born This Way Too Faced foundation. For like a full glam look, I like having the foundation on. It makes all the makeup come together when I'm putting all the other products. We're gonna contour, and I used to put on concealer first, but now I like contouring, putting on liquid blush and then concealer because I just think it's so much better that way. This is the Fit Me foundation stick, but I use it as a contour. So that's where I'm contouring. And then going in with my beauty blender again, just blend everything out. Now going in with the Rare Beauty liquid blush, I'm going to put that right above the contour, like right here. And then I just put like whatever's left on the beauty blender a little bit on my chin and then on my nose. Now for the concealer, going in with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I'm gonna put here, 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 here. Well, I do my eyes last because I like to let the product dry up just like the littlest bit. So after I finish blending out one eye, before I even start blending the other one, I quickly set it with powder because it's gonna crease. I'll leave the powder underneath my eye while I do my eyebrows and eyeshadow because if there's any fallout from the shadow, I can just brush it off. Now the brows, and I'm just gonna do my same brow routine. Go in with my Anastasia brow pencil and just do light strokes. See, like that's all I wanted. So now that they're done, I'm just going to set them with the Patrick Ta eyebrow gel. I'm going to go in with a concealer and just clean them up. And do the same thing on the other side. Before I put on any eyeshadow, first after the concealer, I'm going to set it with setting powder on the whole entire eyelid. And then this is just gonna lock the concealer that we just put there. I'm gonna go with my bronzer and then just put it where I put the cream contour just to add some extra depth and lock it in place. And then I'm gonna bake the rest of my face. Put it where you put the concealer. So while everything's being set, baking with the powder, now you can go in with the eyeshadow. I'm going to use this palette. I'm going to do a smoky eye with maybe like a little cut crease. I don't know, we'll see. Just put a base color on first. So that base color should always be like a nude brown shade. And then just putting that on the crease of the eye. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this dark brown shade, working it in the outer corner and then bringing it down. And then I'm going to take a tinier brush and make it more precise for when I wing it out a little bit. I'm going to put it on my lower half of the eye. And it's gonna look a little something like this. So after that, I'm gonna go in back with like a dark brown, just tapping it in this outer corner just to blend everything a little bit better. I'm gonna do a mini cut crease. You're gonna take a little bit of concealer, put a dot of it, I'm gonna draw in like where you want that highlight. Okay, so this is with a little bit of a cut crease, and then that's without it. So you just add the concealer like halfway, and then you leave it. Top of the cut crease, I'm going to be adding some glitter. This is the Makeup by Mario Master Crystal Reflector. I use a little brush to get in like the inner corner a little bit. like right here. I like doing this recently. It's like my new favorite thing to do. So go in with like a little black shadow, or you could use like a black pencil, a mini wing like right here, and that's with no wing. Okay, so now that the eyeshadow is all done, I can finally wipe away this powder that has been sitting underneath my eye for way too long. I'm gonna take my hair out of these pins because I don't really need it anymore. So now for my favorite part, blush. This is the NARS blush, my favorite one, of course. And then I'm gonna go in with the Dior blush because I like mixing these two, and then I just put a little bit on top of the other blush because this one adds more of like a hot pink shade, and I think it's really pretty. And then I put a little bit on my nose. After your blush, you're just gonna set it. This is the All Nighter Setting Spray by Urban Decay. While there's still setting spray on your face, I go in with my highlighter and then just put it here. The smaller brush, I'm gonna go in with the highlight and just put a little bit on the tip of my nose, and then right underneath my brow bone, and then I put some right here. I'm gonna use the Man Eater by Tarte mascara. I finished doing the top lashes, and now for the bottom lashes, of course I'm using the Roller Lash by Benefit, the best mascara for bottom lashes. The eyes are done, and now I'm just gonna go in with my lip routine. This is just a NYX nude lip liner, and then I'm just gonna line them how I usually do. I'm taking the Dior lip tattoo. And then this is just gonna add like a little berry tint. I'm just going in with the Dior lip gloss. This is the final look. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what other tutorials you guys want to see.